Welcome back to the Talking Hedge. I'm Josh Kincaid, Capital Markets Analyst and host of your Cannabis Business Podcast. Today we're going to take a look at Arizona adult use cannabis sales, a report from Hedge looking at Arizona, which started recreational cannabis legalization in 2020. The actual sales started late January 2021. So Arizona has a population of approximately 7.3 million and is the largest state in the Southwest. So another U.S. state that recently took a similar path to recreational cannabis legalization is Michigan. So because of this, Arizona's forecast is modeled after Michigan's developments. So it's justifiable from the standpoint that there's two markets that are not too different in size, and both states have an important constraint to the recreational market transition. Arizona is not going to require medical cannabis card renewals in the first year, and in Michigan, the medical cards last for 3 years, which more or less has a similar effect on the transition. So we're going to use Michigan as a baseline for this forecast. Like Arizona, Michigan has an operational medical cannabis market before adopting recreational sales. So did Washington. Didn't work out too well. We don't have medical at all anymore. But like Arizona, the medical operators in Michigan were able to become med rec retailers upon legalization, somewhat similar to Oregon still. So the forecast assumes that the transitions move to similar fashion between the two states. So if we're going to use Michigan to project what Arizona is going to do, we can look at year one of recreational sales and use that to calculate Arizona's year one per capita spend at around $61. But every new rollout has supply constraints. So because of that, the estimate increases to $76 because there's going to be some shortages and price gouging. Arizona might see some tourists, of course, as one interesting group of potential consumers, but overall, Michigan has almost 2 times the annual visitors as Arizona. So there's probably not going to be a lot of advantages for Arizona in terms of per capita numbers from inbound tourism. Although Texas could see a huge influx on the border states over there. But again, Michigan had that as well. You have the reverse effect of Arizona's not having to travel to California or Nevada or Colorado for cannabis, crossing the borders and jumping there. So that may be a factor. But at the same case, there may be made in any state that's legalizing cannabis, New Mexico and Texas, for example. So with all that said and done, the per capita assumptions for Arizona is that the top line sales forecast is 406 million for the first full year of rec cannabis. We'll have to wait and see. With that, we're going to roll this up. I'm Josh Kincaid. This is the Talking Hedge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or don't. And I'm out. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way out and check out these other videos that we've got.